Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Thank you for visiting us, and many thanks to those who have subscribed, liked, commented, and shared our videos. In today's video, we're diving into the ultimate guide to cleaning fuel injectors. And while some of our images may seem over the top, they are held appropriate for professional services as opposed to DIY equipment. Stick around for expert tips on maintaining your car's performance. The ultimate guide to cleaning fuel injectors, DIY methods and professional services. If your vehicle is experiencing issues such as poor acceleration, rough idling, or decreased fuel efficiency, it might be time to clean your fuel injectors. Over time, these critical components can become clogged with dirt, debris, and carbon buildup, leading to a range of performance issues. In this video, we will explore the step-by-step process of cleaning fuel injectors, providing you with the knowledge and confidence to tackle this essential maintenance task and keep your vehicle running smoothly. Understanding fuel injectors. What are fuel injectors? Fuel injectors are crucial components of a vehicle's fuel delivery system. They are responsible for spraying a precise amount of fuel into the engine's intake manifold, where it mixes with air before being ignited in the combustion chamber. This process allows for efficient and controlled fuel combustion within the engine. Fuel injectors are typically located near the intake valves and are electronically controlled to regulate the fuel flow based on various engine parameters. Importance of clean fuel injectors. Clean fuel injectors are essential for maintaining optimal engine performance and fuel efficiency. Over time, fuel injectors can become clogged with deposits from fuel impurities and contaminants, leading to uneven fuel distribution and inefficient combustion. This can result in reduced power, poor fuel economy, rough idling, and increased emissions. Regular maintenance and cleaning of fuel injectors are critical to ensure proper fuel atomization and delivery, maximizing engine performance while minimizing harmful emissions. Regular cleaning also helps prevent potential engine damage and costly repairs associated with injector malfunctions. Signs of dirty fuel injectors. Fuel injectors play a crucial role in the proper functioning of your vehicle's engine. When they get dirty or clogged, it can lead to various performance issues. Here are some signs that your fuel injectors may need cleaning. Engine misfires. If your engine is misfiring, it could be a sign of dirty fuel injectors. Misfires occur when the fuel-to-air ratio is off, usually due to clogged or restricted fuel injectors. This can result in a noticeable loss of power and a rough-running engine. Rough idling. Dirty fuel injectors can also cause your engine to idle roughly. You may notice the vehicle shaking or vibrating while idling, which can be a clear indication of fuel delivery problems caused by dirty injectors. Decreased fuel efficiency. When fuel injectors are dirty, they may not be able to deliver the proper amount of fuel to the engine. This can result in decreased fuel efficiency, causing you to fill up your tank more frequently than usual. Emissions test failure. If your vehicle fails an emissions test, it could be due to dirty fuel injectors. When injectors are clogged, the engine may not be burning fuel as efficiently, leading to increased emissions. Regular maintenance and cleaning of fuel injectors can help prevent these issues and keep your engine running smoothly. Cleaning fuel injectors. Fuel injector cleaner products. If you're considering cleaning your fuel injectors, there are various fuel injector cleaner products available on the market. These products are designed to remove deposits and buildup from the injectors, improving fuel atomization and overall engine performance. Fuel injector cleaners typically contain detergents and additives that break down and remove carbon deposits, varnish, and other contaminants. When choosing a cleaner, look for one that is compatible with your vehicle's fuel system and follow the manufacturer's instructions for best results. Cleaning methods. For those who prefer a hands-on approach, DIY cleaning methods can be utilized to clean fuel injectors. One popular method involves using a fuel injector cleaning kit, which typically includes a cleaning solution and attachments to connect to the fuel rail. Another DIY method involves manually removing the injectors and soaking them in a cleaning solution to dissolve any buildup. It's important to exercise caution and follow proper safety procedures when working with fuel and cleaning solvents. Additionally, always refer to your vehicle's service manual for specific instructions related to your make and model. Professional cleaning services. Alternatively, professional cleaning services offer a comprehensive solution for cleaning fuel injectors. Automotive service centers and specialized fuel system cleaning facilities have the equipment and expertise to perform a thorough cleaning of the fuel injectors. Professional cleaning often involves a pressurized cleaning process that can effectively remove stubborn deposits and restore optimal injector performance. While professional services may come at an additional cost, they can provide peace of mind and ensure a professional-grade cleaning procedure. Steps to clean fuel injectors. Preparing the vehicle. Before cleaning the fuel injectors, it's crucial to ensure that the vehicle is parked in a well-ventilated area. Start by turning off the engine and allowing it to cool down. Once this is done, carefully locate the fuel injector that needs cleaning. This may require referring to the vehicle's manual for guidance. Adding fuel injector cleaner. Once the vehicle is prepared, the next step is adding a high-quality fuel injector cleaner to the fuel tank. It's essential to follow the manufacturer's instructions regarding the appropriate amount of cleaner to use. This step is vital to ensure that the fuel injector cleaner effectively removes any deposits or contaminants from the fuel injectors. Running the engine. After adding the fuel injector cleaner, start the engine and allow it to run for the recommended duration. This will enable the cleaner to flow through the fuel system, effectively targeting and eliminating any buildup within the fuel injectors. While the cleaner is circulating through the system, it works to break down deposits and improve the overall efficiency of the fuel injectors. Post-cleaning inspection. Once the engine has run for the specified time, it's essential to conduct a post-cleaning inspection. This involves checking for any signs of improvement in the vehicle's performance, such as smoother idling and increased fuel efficiency. Additionally, monitoring the exhaust emissions can provide an indication of the fuel injector's enhanced functionality. By carefully following these steps, vehicle owners can effectively clean their fuel injectors and maintain optimal engine performance. Preventing fuel injector buildup. Regular maintenance and care of fuel injectors can prevent buildup, ensuring optimal performance and longevity of your vehicle's engine. Here are some effective methods to prevent fuel injector buildup. Using high-quality fuel. Choosing high-quality fuel that contains detergents can help in preventing fuel injector buildup. These detergents clean the injectors as you drive, preventing deposits from forming and ensuring smooth operation of the fuel system. Opt for fuels that are labeled as containing cleaning agents to maintain the cleanliness of your fuel injectors. Regular vehicle maintenance. Adhering to a regular maintenance schedule for your vehicle can significantly reduce the risk of fuel injector buildup. This includes regular oil changes, air filter replacements, and using fuel system cleaners. Keeping all components of your vehicle well maintained can prevent the accumulation of deposits in the fuel injectors and maintain engine efficiency. Professional inspection. Having your fuel injectors professionally inspected and cleaned at regular intervals can prevent buildup and ensure optimal performance. A professional inspection can identify any early signs of buildup or issues with the injectors, allowing for timely intervention and cleaning to prevent potential damage to the engine. By implementing these preventative measures, you can effectively maintain the cleanliness of your fuel injectors, ensuring a smooth and efficient operation of your vehicle's engine. In conclusion, regular maintenance and cleaning of fuel injectors are crucial for maintaining optimal engine performance and fuel efficiency. By following the recommended cleaning intervals and using high-quality fuel injector cleaners, car owners can prevent issues such as rough idling, poor acceleration, and decreased fuel economy. Additionally, seeking professional help for thorough fuel injector cleaning can further enhance the longevity of the vehicle's engine and save on costly repairs in the long run. Understanding the significance of fuel injector maintenance and taking proactive measures can contribute to a smoother driving experience and long-term savings on fuel and maintenance costs. Hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more informative content from Easy Driver. Thank you for watching.